Good evening, guys, boys and girls. Welcome back with the binary puzzle. Third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, July the 21st, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain. Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8955. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here in the last row, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the first column, so the rest are ones. And between two ones comes an O, and 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow, this one is very quick to solve. 2 minutes. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the fourth and last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.